Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It is 8:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, June 14th, 2021. This is not financial advice. This is intended for educational purposes only. There's a Twitter link below in the description. Click on that for intraday updates and click the subscribe button from YouTube if you want to stay up to date with my latest videos as they come out. Let's move into the NuCypher allocation. I have bought, this is my buying price, not the current price. I have bought NuCypher at various entry points. And the average of all of the buys that I've done through time, and I've accumulated NuCypher at, the average buying price is 43.7 cents. Now, I am currently at a loss because we are under 43 cents. And let's look at what the price is right now, which is 30 cents, almost 31 cents. So NuCypher, we're still in this downward broadening wedge, which I consider bullish. If we get up to this point, this line here, and break through it, we should be moving up to 79, 80 something cents. Hard to believe because it looks like we're at 30 cents here. So I consider this sort of a buying opportunity for those who are not in it. I think it's a nice place to take a small stab at it. But let's move forward into the NuCypher Bitcoin pair. Still in the range, the bottom of the range. Fair enough. Another reason why I would take a stab at it, because we have a relatively local low on this smile line. This is typically an area you want to be buying NuCypher. But again, this is my own view, not trading advice. Now, let's move into Bitcoin. So anyway, NuCypher Bitcoin pair is 779. And again, it's a major factor. However, Bitcoin took a real rally last night. Yesterday after the videos we did. We are now at 39,474 on the Bitcoin US dollar pair, which is fantastic. So what does that mean? Well, let's just take a look at a couple of things that I've had in the past that I want to bring back to life here because I think it's important. When we look at the support levels that I'm projecting, that I've always projected as support, which are now resistance levels. These were support areas. We had hit here in the past, and then we came down. We came down kind of hard, down to this JP Morgan drop scenario, which I didn't think that would happen, but it happened. But now we're over this. We're still over this green line, which is, very good. I think that we're going to wind up getting back into the 40-42 range. I've been wrong before on this. But I think that wrongness is going to be right on this round. Why? Because a couple things in the news that may have propelled it. I think it's more than just Elon coming out. I think it's the Taproot discussion. Everyone's getting excited about that as well. But let's talk about what happened yesterday. But before getting into that, over straight from CoinDesk, I think, we're trying to we have some resistance at 42. I think, if we get into the 40-42 range, I think we hang around there for a little while, which is okay. Consolidation between 40 and 42 for Bitcoin, general rule of thumb, if it stays kind of in a range, if it stays range bound for some time, that kind of helps the altcoin market out more. All right, so the big news of yesterday was around Musk saying that Tesla sold about 10% of their Bitcoin to test the market. It's unusual. First of all, he only sold 10% of his Bitcoin from Tesla. So that's point number one. So he didn't sell all of it that a lot of people were thinking. What he probably did was he was layered in and he was layering out, taking some off the table, tweeting, putting some negative stuff in, and he's probably buying some more because this is on the last report. He is planning also to resume allowing crypto transactions on buying Teslas. Look, that to me is the most non-exciting aspect of this whole story. Why would Bitcoin go up 10%? Because he might allow people to buy a Tesla with Bitcoin. There is no reason for that. Like, honestly, there's nothing there that makes it exciting at all, at least from my perspective. Transacting a Bitcoin to buy a Tesla is probably, it's like in the grand scheme of things, like it should have zero impact. I think it's because Elon said something positive about it. I think the fact that he only sold 10% of his Bitcoin is positive. And I think, we'll see over the next few days what comes out of his mouth. But right now, we'll take it, Elon. Thank you. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm out. Everyone have a good day. Take care.